What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're having a wonderful day, my friends. I am having a lot of trouble with my computer today, man. I don't know what's going on. From the morning, it's been giving me trouble after I was done trading. So please bear with me today, friends. I don't want to miss a stream, and I'm out of town. So I'm going to just do my best to get through this stream, guys. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me okay, man. I really apologize. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me. Can you see this? Are we all right? And then let's step right into the war zone, guys. So I'm not seeing anything yet. Okay. All right, guys. I'm going to do my best to get through this. All right. So let's start off here, guys, on the 3-minute chart. This is going to be a quick one, okay? You can see I'm struggling here, man. I don't know what's going on with this setup today. Anyways, so my friends, start off here on the 3-minute. I'm going to hit the replay. And then I'm going to walk you through. I can't even hit the replay properly. It's pretty crazy. That's like what I'm dealing with right now. Anyways, here we go. So the first thing we do is we draw the previous day's high and low. Okay, so here is the low. And then we're going to hit the white line again. Control C, Control V. Here is the high. There. All right. So I'm going to go ahead into the Discord and I'm going to go to our trigger trades. And our short line in the sand today was 386.16. And that was very important because that was our line in the sand to go short. So 386.16. So keep an eye on that. Let's make this in red because this is our red line where we want to go short. So now we have the chart marked up. Hit me with the 2 if you're following me. So we have the high, we have the low, and we have the red line where we want to go short. And the reason the red line is so important, guys, it's because right off the bat, this gets filled. Okay, so that's why I want you to make sure, are we on the same page? You understand everything where we are before the market opens. So before the market opens, we need to understand what's the game plan. Okay, so that's where we were. And then let me go to my live commentary and I'll walk you through step by step. All right, so inside open today, guys, need to be careful. Keep the size smaller today. Short trigger is 386.16, which is right here. And we might fill right at the open, so be ready. 2 minutes to open, who's ready? Short 386.16. So we got filled 1 minute into the open. So I'm going to go ahead here on the 3-minute. You're going to see it, boom. Right here, it comes in, fills us short. Okay, so honest question right here, including myself. How many of you would have felt scared right off of this play? So we got in right here on the red line. We got short, and it's looking pretty bad. And a lot of people, even in the Discord, a lot of people were scared. They're like, look, somebody's crying over here. You know what I mean? So it was a little bit scary, but let's go back to the trigger plan. Where was our stop? 387.56. So let me go ahead and put the stop on for protection. Honest question, how many of you guys felt scared? And this is why we have a system, right? Because these trigger trades, I know I have an edge over time. I've done back testing. I've traded these for a long time. I know that I have an edge over time. I just have to stay consistent. I have to follow my approach. So the yellow line here is our stop loss, right? So we got in, guys. We had some heat. Now check this out right here. Okay, let me go back to the live commentary. So short, I have a stop at 387. So the first thing I did was I brought the stop down to 387 right here for protection. So I wanted to make sure, okay, if I'm wrong, I'm going to just lose a little bit. So I put the stop right there, guys, 387 right there. Next candle comes in. Boom. See that, guys? You can only have that type of conviction if you trade with a system, if you follow your plan. And if you don't follow your plan, you will lose opportunities like this, guys. Right after that, right after we waited, boom, right here. Target 385.64, lock in profits. Here we go. Friday's low. Who's banking with me? Amazing flush down. Watch this flush here, guys. Bam, bam. Beautiful. See that, guys? That's how we do it. So send the rockets right there for that trade because that was a beautiful trade to start the week off with. So send the rockets right there, guys. Nice flush down. That's exactly what we're looking for. We had this was a bull trap right here. This is a fake candle. This wasn't a real, guys. The bears were waiting. We were waiting. We were waiting right here. Do your little thing. Bam, bam, bam. All right, we're coming in. Boom. Take you right back down. And the reason is, guys, look at this weakness. We gap down. You see this gap? We gap down. This is weakness right here. And we're threatening the low. So this is a weak open. That's why we wanted to go short. That's a weak open, guys. We want to go short. We've seen the weakness. Don't get tricked. Do not get tricked. Follow your plans. All right? So right after that, guys, we went straight into the Fibonacci live setups. Okay? So we draw this in real time, guys. Don't worry. You're going to see a lot of people out there that are going to be posting these stuff in hindsight. Trust me, guys, because it looks so beautiful in hindsight. It looks exceptionally beautiful in hindsight, but not, you know what? There's very few people that can draw this in real time and take real trades like we do. And trust me when I say this, guys, you're going to find a lot of people, oh yeah, it did this and 50%, trade it in real time, guys. Trade it in real time. Then you're going to see. That's why we have a community of traders to help each other out. Here we go. So we draw the Fibonacci high to low right there. So again, we're looking for the golden zone. I'm going to go ahead and get my rectangle right here. Boom, 50 to 786. We go ahead and make this in yellow. And what I really liked about this golden zone right here is it lined up with the previous day's low, right? So we lined up right there with the previous day's low. So we had a nice little confluence there, right? That makes the trade even stronger. So you can see here, we're drawing up the same fibs that I drew for you guys. And then we say here, coming up to the 50, almost at 618, boom. Okay, so the 50 came in first, 50 on the move twice. So let me go ahead and show you that. So we came back up here. Okay, so look, our anchor went down. So this is good. So let me show you how to draw it in real time. Just move your anchor lower. Right, like that, right? You just keep moving the anchor lower. So we keep moving the anchor lower. You bring your golden zone down. That's it. Bring your golden zone down, okay? Come back up now, okay? We're coming into the golden zone. Popping up here, boom, boom. Okay, we're hugging on that 382. A little bit of this double bottom type of action. Coming back in. There's your first 50 rejection right there. See that, guys? Taking it back down, taking it back down, taking it back down. See that? Algorithm. Look how the algorithm is playing this. It's taking 382 back down, 50% back down. It's taking it step by step, ladder by ladder, approach by approach, algorithm, boom, sniping it. It's waiting. It's like, all right, you know what? I had somebody today. I'm going to tell you the story. I'm not going to name names. Okay, I'm not going to name names. A person reached out to me today and said they blew up their trading account. And they said, I didn't get in short when you were saying to get in short over here. I went short at the lows. I went short at the lows and I blew up my account. They went short at the lows. They probably went 0 day to expiry options. They went in with everything. And this is the disgusting nature of this industry. Disgusting nature of this industry. Why? Because when the market is down here, all of the favorite people that you guys see, all of them will be on market is crashing, recession, decession, inception, inflation, deflation, eflation, all of them. And then you're sitting there and you're like, I gotta do something, man. I missed the move. Boom, boom, hit the 0 GT. Bam, bam, bam. Full account. Boom. Gone, baby. Count is gone. But that's why I teach you guys. This is what you do. Wait for the pullback. Okay, you want to go short. Don't short down here. Wait for the pullback. Take the morning play. Take this line, the red line. Okay, you miss it. It's okay, no problem. Let it come back in. Take it when it comes back in. Stop chasing the lows. These guys don't have an account left. And I feel sorry. Trust me, because I've been there. But you have to have a system. You have to have a plan, and you have to get off of the FOMO. And if you can't get off of the FOMO, then you shouldn't be trading. Okay? Does that make sense? Hit me with the one if that makes sense, my friends. Does that make sense to you? So right there, we had that beautiful algorithm, right? And now, remember now, okay, this is something that's important. This is an advanced leg right here. It's called the opposing leg. So I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to show you the opposing leg. So what we had right after that, guys, is if we draw the fib from the other direction, right? And this is important because remember, the bears, including myself, we were short from the high of the day. We were short up here. So we already made money. We're already happy. Okay, we're already happy. We're already good. So now we have the bull. The bull is fighting for the low of the day. So if we draw it from the low to the high right here, and we do the exact same thing now. So golden zone this way now, the bull is going to try here. It's a good chance for the bull to try because if it doesn't work, okay, you take a little stop. But if it does work, what happens? Let's see. Well, if it does work, then you can ride it all the way back up here, guys. Look at this 786 right here. Look at this. 1 time, 2 time. You see this? Watch closely here. There's always clues on the chart. Look at this algorithm filling it. Look at the algorithm. Wham, wham. Nice confirmation pattern. We have a holy grail down here as well. We have the holy grail showing us extra confluence, and they run it back all the way to the high of the day. And then wait, right here, pause right here. Right here, what happens? What happens here? What happens here? And it's important to me because look, if somebody tells me they blow up their account, it hurts me. Does anybody know? Right here, then the next tweet comes in. Oh, guys, guess what? You know what? The CPI numbers are going to come out really, really good. Market is rebounding. It's all good. Everything's all good. We're going to the moon. And then, bam. Pay attention to these things, guys. Pay attention. Pay close attention, or you will not have any money left. Pay close attention. You're in charge of your money. Stop playing games. Have a system. Systematic. I teach you the Fibonacci because it's built in. The risk to reward is built into the trade. So you don't even have to think. If you buy a pullback 100 times versus trading these breakouts 100 times, you're going to make more money. Simple. Okay? That makes sense? Hit me with an 8 if you're good. You follow me there? And then the last thing we had was, you could see, right? Like if we just draw the full fib here for the Bears trying 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, trying. They're trying. They protected the high of the day and took it back down. There was a lot of opportunities for the Bears to make money, and there was a lot of opportunities for the bull. Right from the low, you could see the leg. This is the opposing leg. Look at this. Boom, boom. Very clean. And if you're not taking the fibs, you do the simple approach like what I told you right here. You just come in right here. You take that red line short, take it down. Very clean day, blessed Monday. Very happy on this Monday, okay? And then let me just show you quickly as well. I took a few more trades. Let's go to the Twitter right here. I had a great day, guys. This is one of my best days. We had Square and we had Amazon, both two nice winners, okay, right there. So Amazon, let's go ahead and recap this. So I've been telling you guys about Amazon for a long time. Let's go to the daily chart. What did we have here on Amazon? What did we have yesterday? Tight, tiny inside bar. Tight, tiny inside bar. So what are we expecting after that? What are we expecting? Well, what about this? What about this? Every time we have a little inside bar, don't you see we have a big, we have a move the next day. What about this? What about this? Look at the chart. Don't take my word. Look at the chart. How many times these little inside bars, they lead to good trading? Look at this. Tight one, gap up and go. We have a lot of opportunities. Let history repeat itself. That's what I do. I let history repeat itself. I'm not magical. I'm not unicorn. Okay, we let history repeat itself. You see that? Okay, so now say, okay, coming in here, I'm gonna do the same thing. Let's hit the replay. Let me walk you through step by step. Okay, going to the 5-minute. Boom. All right. So the first thing is on the Twitter, does Rich post free picks? Yes, he does every single day. Nobody does it like me every single day. And I filter and I look for the best picks. So here we go. Here was Amazon right there. So in the Discord right here, under the trade plans, we have full plans here that you can use, but you can always use these to help you. Okay. I took Amazon down today, 52% gain. Shout out to you, brother Eric. I appreciate you. Good play. All right, so let's go ahead and let me show you now. So Amazon, what was our short level right here? Our short level was 113.98. So let me show you how it's done. So we'll go ahead here. We draw that right there, 113.98, like so. Okay, now watch. Here we go. First candle comes in, boom. That's beautiful. I mean, that's cash money right there. That is the sign of, look at this. That's the picture of money right there. You get filled and it's flushes. And if boom, 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 take it to the bank. That's all it takes right there. Yeah, there's something wrong with the stream, guys. There's something wrong. So I'm gonna wrap it up right here, man. I'm gonna probably just go buy a brand new $10,000 computer. I can't deal with this shit no more. I'm done. I'm gonna go re-up on this computer. But this was the Amazon play right there, guys. Just a line in the sand. Make sure you follow the Twitter right there. And that was it right there. 1360, baby. Okay. All right. Look, guys, as always, my friends, check me out at tradingwars.com. I really, truly, deeply apologize for this bad quality stream. I'm extremely sorry because you guys are my life. I come out here every day and I feel empowered to teach you guys. And it feels good when I make money and you're making money. Like when I come in the market here and I'm hitting Amazon and you guys are hitting Amazon, I feel good. Right. And I'm very, very disappointed and sorry. And actually, me and Theta Warrior both picked Amazon yesterday. I don't know how he did on it. I hope he did well, but I apologize. Okay. Are we good now? Okay, wait. Some people are saying we're good. Hit me with the 3 if you're good. Hit me with the 3s, then I'll just do it one more time. Hit me with the 3. Are we all good? We'll do it one more time because it's important. It's important. All right, let's do it one more time. Okay, so Amazon, we're going to go back to the daily chart and I'm going to explain why I wanted to take this trade. So we'll go back to the daily chart and we just look at Amazon, right? So one of the ways that I get into a trade, like how I like to pick a trade, is something like I call preconditioning. So before I pick a stock, I want to see particular pattern. I want to see something that says, you know what, tomorrow could be volatile. So what do I like to do? I like to look for the patterns, inside bars, holy grails, outside bars. I like to look for those patterns first. I want them to set up on the daily chart, and then I'm going to come and hit it hard the next day. So what do we have here? We had a tight inside bar on Amazon. So literally, I look back at the last time we had an inside bar on Amazon, right? And I'm saying, okay, maybe we have a chance to repeat the same thing. We can expect some volatility. So I come back here on the 5-minute chart, that yellow line, 113.98, that's my short entry right there. And then boom, this is beautiful because look, right at the open, you see the opens here, it touches your entry. So you're filled short right off the open, guys. You take very minimal heat on this, and then we just flush right down, right? So that was a beautiful, beautiful play. And then after that, guys, look, even if you miss, so I was able to get out near the lows. And the way that I did that is I used the Fibonacci extension of the previous day's range like this. And look at this, guys. It doesn't get better than this. So it basically tells you a good area of reversal. And you could see right here, it came this one right here. That's 100% of the move of yesterday. So we're projecting 100% of the range of yesterday. We're projecting it down. And that's, you know, if you're looking for cheap calls, you use strategies like that, guys. I have a lot of strategies that I could teach you. And then from there, guys, look at this, right? From there, we have a little bit of an after morning leg right there. Boom. Okay. Into the golden zone right there. 50 to 786 right there. And then bam, come in there. Nice little rollover, guys. You see that? It's all scalpable opportunities, guys. All beautiful scalpable opportunities. We're still hanging in the golden zone still. And then boom, we fall over. So guys, even if you didn't take this play with me, this play right here, if you didn't take the morning 1360 on Amazon, guys, you could have caught it right back on the fibs. All right. Does that make sense? Hit me with the 4 if that makes sense. So that's how I trade the stocks. So I hit that one and I hit Square right there. And I took a loss on Procter & Gamble. I took a loss on Procter & Gamble, a small one. So not even worth talking about that. So there we go. So that was Amazon. You guys good with that? Did you guys understand SPY? Was my voice okay on SPY? Could you hear me on SPY? Hit me with a 7 if you understood SPY. Gringo Loco 25 towards your supercomputer. Appreciate you, brother. I really appreciate you, brother. Thank you very much, man. We'll try to find a Best Buy right now. You know what I'm saying? Trying to find a Best Buy right now. Take care of me. Or maybe that's the problem. Maybe I shouldn't buy a Best Buy from Best Buy. All right, guys. As always, check me out at tradingwars.com. I hope you enjoyed the stream. I hope you learned something. We do the fibs every single day. We do them live. Check me out right here on the main page. You can sign up, or you can sign up right here, guys, for the book. You get 1 month for free, the fib book, the SPY book, the stock book, all there. You know what? Let me try to do a Trendspider scan. Let's see if we can get in, guys. Hold on a second. I'm going to try to get in. And then we'll do a nice little scan to wrap up the day. And God bless all of you. Appreciate you guys. And again, guys, I'm sorry, man, about this situation, about this whole garbage ass laptop. All right, so let me go over here. I'll pull that up here. Let's do some scans real quick. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead here. Blue raindrop, hit it one time. Get anything? How can I access your Tradingview script? It's on my Twitter, brother. On my Twitter, and it should be linked in there in the YouTube. Also on the website. All right, so we have a shit ton of blue raindrops. Holy crap. So Starbucks, that's a nice one. I always like to trade Starbucks. I made some money on it last week. Nice little tight range here. We could see blue raindrop here on Starbucks. We could see the last time we had one was right over here, which the next day led to a nice little tradable downside, right? Hey guys, I'm quite an amateur, although I want to learn. Brother, check me out at tradingwars.com, brother. Literally, I have 500 videos, man. Just take your time and go through everything. NVIDIA, another beauty right here. NVIDIA, man, you guys know we hit this one a lot. So this is a nice setup for tomorrow right here on NVIDIA, guys. Beautiful, tight raindrop. You could see the ones that I really like on NVIDIA are actually on the weekly chart. Let's go to the weekly. I'll show you. There were some powerful ones on the weekly that I used to trade, like this one right here, guys, this one, all of them on the weekly were working really, really well. Let's see if the daily chart can give us some love as well. So what do we have? Starbucks, NVIDIA, keep an eye on. I'm going to post the picks for tomorrow. Don't worry. Just make sure you follow the Twitter. I'll post that right after this. Let's go for the Holy Grail. See if we can find a Holy Grail. PG, Procter and Gamble, nice little holy grail here. I'm gonna go ahead here and get rid of this fib. So you can see the last time we had a holy grail was here and here, you know, decent trading action after both of those days. So let's look for, you know, maybe a little pullback here like this or a squeeze straight up. So watching Procter and Gamble. All right, so there we go. So those are some nice picks for tomorrow. I'll post them on the Twitter right after this. As always, guys, check me out at tradingwars.com. There's one more thing that I'm going to do. On Friday, I'm meeting with Dan from Trendspider. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to work with Dan. And what I want to do, so for example, let's say, you know, NVIDIA is one of our plays. So, all right, so NVIDIA is one of our plays. We have a blue raindrop. So what am I going to do with that? I'm going to say, all right, let's look at a few other factors. So for example, let's look at what analysts are saying about NVIDIA. Let's look at, what's it called? Whatever, flow, whole, whatever. We'll look at anything. I just want to start putting together some more different ways for us to look at things plus the blue raindrop. So it must be a raindrop first. It must be a holy grail. It must be Nirvana. It must be inside bar first. But then let's see if we can find something else and we can add it on. So I'm going to work on that on Friday with Dan. And I hope next week I can bring you guys something that'll add more value to you. Okay. And if you want that, if you like that right there, then this is what I need you to do. Hit me with a like, subscribe, just leave in the comment that you want that, because we can keep it simple like this. And we can just say, take the break of the bar. But if you think it's going to add value to you, I'm going to end the broadcast right here and let me know. Okay. We could do anything you guys want. Give me some ideas. What do you want to see? Okay. I'm down. I'm down to do whatever you want. I'm down to do whatever you want. Thank you very much, guys, for your time. Check me out at tradingwars.com. Everything is here, guys. Everything is here. Trust me. Everything is here. Everything is on the YouTube. You don't need anything else. I appreciate your time. Hopefully we get this sorted out going into tomorrow with the computer and everything, and then we'll be back at full force. Okay. Thank you, guys. Take care.